Hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. Well, here are the results for that giveaway that you guys guessed the weights of those 5 biggest fish. And for a tiebreaker, total inches in length of the 5 biggest combined. Okay, you're gonna win 2, not 1, but 2 custom painted Shanka Lures rock crawlers in a Phantom Red. And you're gonna get one in a Phantom Green. Please like, comment, and subscribe in every video. 1 pound, 15 ounces.
All right, fish number 2, 16 inches, 2 pounds, 3 ounces. 2 pound, 3 ounce, 15-inch largemouth. 1 pound, 5 ounces, 13-inch. On the plum, 2 pounds, 12-ounce spot. We're gonna call it 17 inches, but it's a hair over. Nice. The cold fish was a 15-inch largemouth, 1 pound, 14 ounces. At the end of the day, the total was 10 pounds, 15 ounces. And the inches will be tallied.
All right, well, at the end of all of that, Paul Ginn was closest to with his guess of 10 pounds and 7 ounces. Great guess, Paul. The inches didn't matter in this one because there was no tie, but man, I loved going out and catching the fish and getting you guys involved. Thank you so much and have a great Easter. We'll see you guys real soon. Take it easy. Thank you very much. And Paul, please email me at mjbfishingllc@gmail.com. Thank you very much. And I'll get that out to you. Your 2 crankbaits from Shanka Lures, Phantom Green, Phantom Red. Take it easy. Have a great day.